Hi there, welcome to my clip. Well, in that one I want to show you the difference between a traditional 4-blade fan compared to this lovely Derale 17017 Heavyduty Flexfan. Well, cool piece, but I don't want to talk about this horsepower you may lose with that one compared to the traditional one. It's more important for me just to know how much air does it provide. I think that's important in my case, because during the hot summer days, if you stand in a traffic jam or even idling around, my temperature goes up to 200, 210, 220, 230, and that makes me quite nervous. That's not that healthy, I think. That's why really I want to improve the air, and I will show you how to measure the airflow, the air provided by these fans, and this is exactly what I want to do. So hang on. So for that, first what we're going to do is to remove the shroud here, and then we're going to release these 4 screws for the fan, and after that we will put on the new one, and we'll see what happens. But before we remove the old fan, we're gonna measure the airflow with my windsurf equipment thing, just to see the difference between the old and the new fan. So as you can see, the average is 25 km per hour with the old one. So let's start! So compared with the weight of these 2 fans, the traditional original one is 1 kilo, more or less. The new one, 1.5 kilos. Okay, a bit more heavy. So watch the rotation side. This should be like this. So, spacer, rotation, cool. So let's bring that thing on. Try to screw it in with your hand as much as you can. Yeah, so the whole thing will fit. That's cool. Also, this plastic shroud should be okay, cool, everything good. So hang on. So guys, as you can see, the new fan is providing 51 km per hour in average, so that's much more air compared to the old one. This is exactly what I want to have. Hey, cool. So that's it, replacement is finished, and I guess you see the difference between these two things. Quite cool. So we'll see what happens next year during the summer. Stay tuned. So wow, the temperature of the car now stays stable at 180 degrees, even in hot summer days. That's absolutely fantastic, so great. So the change to the new fan was totally worth it, very cool. Now I'm relaxed to drive around in hot days. Hey, cheers!